Hey guys, Jeremy here, KL70C. Today we're back at it doing another Pota activation. We're actually in central Alaska, come up here in the boondocks to do a little camping. This is a Pota park. It is park Kilo 7235. And let me show you what I got going on. We are using the FT891 again today. iPad to log hammers. And we have the Buddipole set up on the 33-foot Mastwerks tripod on 20 meters, and we are taking some extra precautions today. We have the citronella candle and some off, but this is not the good stuff. We're almost set up. You guys ready? Let's go. Is a frequency to use Kilo Lima 7 Echo Charlie.
CQ Pota, CQ Park Stony Air. This is Kilo Lima 7 Echo Charlie. Kilo Lima 7 Echo Charlie, Park Kilo 7235, Chattanooga State Recreation Area in Central Alaska. Calling CQ Park Stony Air and standing by. Alpha Lima 7 Kilo Charlie.
Alpha Lima 7 Kilo Charlie, 5757 on the ground wave, QSL.
Yeah, surprising. Wasn't expecting it to be this good, so I guess we're lucking out. I couldn't hear you very well, turned the wrong way. I was spinning the antenna trying to find you, but yeah, you came up nicely when I ended up getting the right direction.
Roger, roger. Well, I sure do appreciate you being the first contact, sir.
Kilo 4, Oscar Mike Juliet.
Hey, David. Kilo 4, Oscar Mike Juliet, 5757 into the park, Kilo 7235, QSL.
Roger, Jeremy, sorry, lot of noise. 57, both ways, 57. Have a great trip in Alaska, 73.
Absolutely. Thank you for Kentucky again, sure. I sure do appreciate it, sir. 73 to you.
November 4, Echo X-ray.
November 4, Echo X-ray, 5454 in the park, Kilo 7235, QSL.
QSL, you're 436 in North Carolina from November 4, Echo X-ray. Thank you.
Roger, roger. Copy the 46 in North Carolina. I sure do appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Kilo 8 Hotel Quebec.
Kilo 8 Hotel Quebec, 5757 in the park, Kilo 7235, QSL.
5555 Michigan, over.
Roger, roger. Copy the 55 Michigan. I sure do appreciate the contact this evening, sir. 73.
Kilo Romeo 8 Papa.
Kilo Romeo 8 Papa, 5757 in the park, Kilo 7235, QSL.
QSL, you're 55 in Michigan. Thanks much.
Roger, roger. Copy the 55 Michigan. Thanks for the contact, sir. 73 to you. QSL, Kilo Charlie 4, Bravo. I'm going to give you a 4343 in the park, Kilo 7235, QSL. Roger, roger. Copy Kilo 1043. Well, I should appreciate the, that's in Alabama, QSL. Roger, roger. Copy 3791. Well, I should appreciate the twofer, sir. The park to park. Good luck on your activation. 73.
Whiskey 9 Romeo November Romeo Alpha November.
Whiskey 9 Romeo November Romeo, 5757 in the park, Kilo 7235, QSL.
Yeah, you're up and down Avenue, somewhere between about a 47 and a 57.
Roger, roger. I sure do appreciate the contact this evening, sir. 73 to you.
Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo. November.
Alpha India 7 Romeo Kilo, 5910 over in the park, Kilo 7235, QSL.
Yeah, 57 here in Western Washington.
Roger, roger. Copy the 57 into Western Washington. I sure do appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Alpha Charlie 9 X-ray Whiskey or 44 Whiskey India.
Roger, roger. Alpha Charlie 9 X-ray Whiskey, copy 44 into Whiskey India. You're a 5454 in the park, Kilo 7235, QSL.
Roger, 73. Delta 4 Delta Alpha November.
Whiskey Delta 4 Delta Alpha November. How are you, Dan? You are 5454 in the park, Kilo 7235, QSL.
Hey, appreciate it, Jeremy. Thanks for another one. 5252 with Golf Alpha. Have a great one, 73.
Yeah, absolutely. I should appreciate the contact again, sir. 73 to you. November 5, Hotel Alpha 5151 into Park Kilo 7235. QSL. Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-3 into Louisiana. I should appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Alpha 3, November, Quebec.
Victor Alpha 3, November, Quebec. Great signal. 59 into Park Kilo 7235. QSL.
QSL, you're 5555 Eastern Ontario. Thank you for the activation, 73.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-3 into Ontario. I should appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Italy, Uniform 1, Hotel, Juliet, Foxtrot.
The Italy station again.
Norway, America 6, Japan, Delta. Hotel, Juliet, Foxtrot.
The Hotel Foxtrot again.
Italy, Uniform 1, Hotel, Juliet, Foxtrot. Do you copy?
Roger, Roger. Italy, Uniform 1, Hotel Juliet Foxtrot. 5353 in the Park Kilo 7235. QSL.
QSL, Roger, Roger. You are 5 and 4, Northwest Italy.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5 and 4 into Italy. I sure do appreciate the contact across the pond, sir. 73 to you.
Yeah, finally worked you and I can hear you. Tail 7 Tango Charlie, 59.
Roger, Roger. Kilo Lima 7 Tango Charlie. Great signal. 59 into the Park Kilo 7235. QSL.
Yeah, good signal, and glad you could get up here in Fairbanks and work the park. I haven't got my Buddipole out yet, so been waiting for bands to improve. So hopefully get out and get it hooked up. 73, have fun. Norway, America, November, Alpha 7 X-ray. Norway, America 6, Japan, Delta.
Was that Norway, America 7 X-ray QSL?
November, Alpha 7 X-ray. You're 55 in Oregon.
Roger, Roger. November Alpha 7 X-ray. Copy the 55 Oregon. You're 59 into Park Kilo 7235. QSL.
QSL, thank you for the activation. 73.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Norway, America, November 4 X-ray Tango. Norway, America 6, Japan, Delta.
November 4 X-ray Tango 5959 in the Park Kilo 7235. QSL.
QSL, you're 5 and 7 in California. We're remote.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-7 in California. I should appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Yeah, Kilo, Foxtrot 5, Zulu, Papa Lima, you're 59, Arkansas, Alpha Romeo.
Roger, Roger. Kilo Foxtrot 5, Zulu, Papa Lima. Was that a 5-5 Arkansas? You're a 5, give you a 5-7 in the Park Kilo 7235. QSL.
Yeah, QSL, have fun and good luck and best 73s to you.
Yeah, absolutely. I should appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Number 5, Victor, Mike, November.
November 5, Victor, Mike, November, 5454 Park Kilo 7235. QSL.
Roger, 5-5 Arkansas.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-5 Arkansas. I should appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Whiskey, Delta, 0, Echo, Delta, Juliet, you are 5-5.
Roger, Roger. Make sure I have your call correct. Whiskey Delta 0 Echo Delta Juliet. QSL.
QSL.
Roger, Roger. Also a 5555 in the Park Kilo 7235. QSL.
QSL. Thanks for the contact.
Yeah, absolutely. I should appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Alpha Golf 5, Charlie, Papa Mike.
Was that Alpha Golf 5 Charlie, QSL?
Alpha Golf 5, Charlie. I've got you about a 5-3 in Arkansas.
Roger, Roger. Have you about a 55 in the Park Kilo 7235. QSL.
QSL, thank you for being there again. 7-3.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Victor Echo 5, Tango Juliet Whiskey.
Victor Echo 5 Tango Juliet Whiskey 5454 in the Park Kilo 7235. QSL.
Yeah, Roger. You 2-1 into Saskatchewan, Sierra Kilo, over.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 2-1 in Sierra Kilo. I should appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Alpha Charlie, uniform.
Was that Alpha Charlie 8 uniform QSL?
Alpha Charlie Uniform, uniform. I have you about a 4-3 Mike India. 4-3 Mike India.
Roger, Roger. Alpha Charlie 8, uniform copy the 4-3 in the Mike India. I have you about a 5-3, 53 in the Park Kilo 7235 QSL.
QSL, thanks very much. This is Alpha Charlie 8, uniform, uniform, 7230. Uniform,
Was that Kilo 0 Italy uniform Zulu QSL? Roger, Roger. Was that Kilo 0 India uniform Zulu? I'll have you about a 5-1, 51 in the Park QSL. Roger, Roger. 5-1, 51 QSL. Kind of dipped on that one, but I'll have you in the log, sir. I should appreciate the contact. 73 to you.
A6KWV. Kilo Bravo 9, America, Victor X-ray.
Kilo Bravo 9, America, Victor X-ray 59 in the Park Kilo 7235 QSL.
QSL, you're 59, Whiskey India, Wisconsin, 73. Good luck and thanks for the activation.
Yeah, absolutely. Great signal. Thanks for the contact, sir. 73 to you.
This is Kilo 7, Delta India Alpha for part number Kilo 3209er, QSL.
I got 3209. I didn't quite catch your call again.
Kilo 7, Delta India Alpha, QSL.
Roger, Roger. Yeah, come up big time, that one. Kilo 7, Delta India Alpha. I have you a 5-7 in the Park Kilo 7235. And I'll copy your Park Kilo 3209, QSL.
QSL, I need your call time, please, and QTH.
Roger, it's Kilo Lima 7 Echo Charlie. Kilo Lima 7 Echo Charlie. And today we are located in Central Alaska. Central Alaska, QSL.
QSL, and did I copy Kilo 7235, QSL?
Roger, Roger. That is QSL.
Roger, Roger. Appreciate the contact, 73, my friend.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for the park to park. Good luck on your activation, sir. 73.
Alpha Kilo 6, Charlie Sierra.
Alpha Kilo 6 Charlie Sierra, 5454 in the Park Kilo 7235 QSL.
Okay, Kilo Lima 7 Echo Charlie. Alpha Kilo 6 Charlie Sierra got you about a 5-2 down here in Park Kilo 3445 QSL.
Roger, Roger. Was that a Kilo 3445 QSL?
QSL.
Hey, I should appreciate the park to park, sir. Good luck on your activation. 73.
Kilo 2 Bravo, Oscar.
Kilo 2 Bravo Radio Oscar 5151 in the Park Kilo 7235 QSL.
QSL, thank you. 3-3 into Illinois. 7 Illinois, Italy, Lima. QSL.
Roger, Roger. Copy 33 into Illinois. I sure do appreciate the contact, sir. 73.
Kilowatt, 6 kilowatt. Whiskey, Victoria. QSL.
Roger, Roger. Kilo 6 Kilo Whiskey Victor 5151 in the Park Kilo 7235 QSL.
Roger, Roger. I have your 5112 from Los Angeles, California. QSL.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-1 into Charlie Alpha. I should appreciate the contact, sir. 73 to you.
Hi there, this is Kilo 6, Yankee Lima. I am at a twofer. First part number, K4463. Second part number, K3569. QSL?
QSL, Kilo 6 Yankee Lima. I'll copy Kilo 4463 and Kilo 3569. You are 5959 in the Park Kilo 7235 QSL.
Thank you so much. You're about a 5-6 with QSC. I'm so glad to work you. Have a great time there. And thank you so much for being there.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a new park for me, so I should appreciate the contact. Thanks for the twofer. Good luck on your activation. 7-3.
Thank you. Have a great time. 7-3. And thanks again.
Yeah, you do as well.
Charlie.
The park to park, go ahead.
Kilowatt, Bravo, 0, Radio, Foxtrot, Charlie. QSL.
QSL, Kilo Bravo 0, Radio Foxtrot Charlie. Great signal 5-9 in the park, Kilo 7235, QSL.
Roger, roger, copy it, 5858 into Kilo 7937, QSL.
Again with the park.
Kilo 7937.
Roger, copy, Kilo 7937. I should appreciate the park to park. Good luck on your activation, sir. 73.
73, thanks a lot, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, sir.
Kilo 4, Bravo, November, Foxtrot. Charlie, India, Kilo.
Kilo 4, Bravo, November, Foxtrot, 5910 over in the park, Kilo 7235, QSL.
You got a great signal coming into Florida. You're 5'9" plus about 5 into Florida. Great sounding signal. Good on you. You did a good job. Thanks for taking my call, QSL.
Hey, Roger. I sure appreciate the contact from Florida, sir. I sure appreciate it this evening. 73 to you.
Thank you. This is George in South Louisiana. Whiskey Alpha 5 Kilo Bravo Hotel, WA5, KQ, Baker H. You're 57 in South Louisiana. Go ahead.
Roger, George. I sure appreciate it. Whiskey Alpha 5 Kilo Bravo Hotel. Great signal. 5. I'm gonna give you a 5-9 in the park, Kilo 7235, and the name here is Jeremy. Juliet Echo Romeo Alpha Mike Yankee. QSL.
Roger. Thank you so much. Appreciate you being there. Thank you for the after hours. 73.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, sir. Alright, Fairbanks, I don't know what kind of steroids you're feeding your mosquitoes, but cut it out. Those things are huge. Anyway, other than that, we had a good activation, a total of 90 contacts, so I appreciate each and every one of you that made contact with me and or tried. Until next time, 73.